What are you doing, babe?
I'm opening up
What you got there?
how old? 60-year-old egg.
Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
gonna eat it. If I die, I love you all.
Hold it up in front so we can see that it's... That's an egg.
There's the shell.
Okay.
I should rinse it. Now it's gooey.
What? Smell it again?
No.
Smell it again.
It smells like hair dye. Okay.
Big bite.
What does it look like? Let me see inside of it. Now squeeze it.
Suck the juice out.
It's like paste. Like
Eat it.
I can't do anything. Ah!
You should have made it butter.
Oh, it smells so bad.
I can't wait to kiss you later. That was the worst idea I've ever
Probably
had.
gonna drink wine before that.
The worst idea I've